A very good morning, class 12th. So, here we are for our next class. But before that, I should tell you that this week we are going to celebrate English Week. As I have already mentioned to you, I have already given you the details for this. So, let's focus on the things. Let's celebrate, make this English Week a major super hit for us. And do participate in that because 100% participation requires in it, right? So here, let's start with the topic here for today's writing skills. That is article writing we are going to do. So it is connected with your today's activity only, with your first day activity only. So let's try to understand here what you need to do for the article writing first. So this you need to remember, this would be of your 5 marks question in the board paper, right? So what basically is article? We need to write this to present information on variety of themes in a long and sustained piece of writing. And here we describe various events, place, any person, any incident, anything. Or we even express our views on some social issues also. But here we avoid using the first person pronoun. Yes, we don't generally write I in this or we in this. So let's try to understand the format here first. So your format is, first what you need to do is you need to write down the heading. Your heading or the title, whatever you can say here, that you need to write it. Next, byline. Now byline means here your name. Whoever is writing this article, you need to specify his or her name. So heading or title could be in capital. It depends upon the eye-catching heading you need to prepare. Then byline, the name or the writer of that article. Then you need to follow the 3 to 4 paragraphs here, right? You need to divide your article in 3 to 4 paragraphs. Your first paragraph would be your introduction part, where you're giving the introductory part of your topic. This would be a smaller one, which would be of 3 to 4 lines, I can say here. Then the second paragraph or the next 2 paragraphs, it depends upon whether you're writing in 3 or 4, that would covers up your content. It would be the bigger one. Like if you're writing 4 paras, obviously it would divide into second and third. But if you're writing 3, then you need to write only in the second one. That would be the bigger one. Your content, you will describe your points, you will express the points or whatever is in your mind. And third would be your conclusion. You're giving the ending up. You are summarizing it now, right? So you need to sum up this in the last one, and this would also be once again the small one. So it totally depends upon you whether you need to write it in 3 paras or 4 paras. So 3 to 4 paragraphs, then you need to divide it. So this is your article writing. You would be having a topic. You need to read your topic carefully and thoroughly. Add the quotations in between. If you want to raise a question, you can raise also. And obviously you can even give some facts and figures if you're having something. So you need to describe this thing in a very skillful manner. You need to follow the word limit here. You need to follow the formal style of writing. No informal words would be there. So you need to be very logical. You need to be sequential in that. So whatever would be your content, that you would write it in a sequence manner. So like what is very important or relevant for you, you will include that first and then you will write the rest of the things in that manner only. So in that way, you will cover up your article writing, right? So next, what I want to tell you here is that when you will attempt this question, please keep it in mind that whatever you are writing, your title, your heading should be a very interesting and eye-catchy one, so that the reader's interest should arouse here and he or she should read it. And from your first introductory part also, his interest, his attention, his or her attention should seek into that yes, he or she needs to continue the reading for it. And then you will write, you will describe the things. It could be related to anything, as I mentioned here, on some social issues, some event, some place, some person, whatever you want to write it, right? So in this way, you will do the article writing. And if you are still having any doubt, you can ask about it. You can clear your doubts. I would be giving you one sample also. Read that and then do it. And even mention about the other questions which I will give you as the work. With that, today's for English week, for today's activity, you are having right. I'm writing it here. This is the event name for today's right, right, right. So you would having a skillful response on a given article. So that also I will describe you how to do it. So I would be sending you a piece of article here. You need to give the response, you need to read it, and then you need to write it. So I hope this is very, very clear to you. If you're still having any doubt, please clarify it. Thank you and God bless you all. Send the work timely.